We have a viewer from Istanbul. Merhaba. Good morning. Guten Tag. Dzień dobry. Buenos dias. Ship in the distance, yes. There's a couple. Hang on, let's see it. We've got a couple minutes probably for the sun. There's a appears to be a tanker, or a cargo ship, I'm sorry, out there. A little further north, a couple of pleasure boats out there. Yeah, we do have a nice landscape today. Very nice indeed. And Leon _ 7578 here. The sun is supposed to be punching in about 1 or 2 minutes. Escasia Diassi is here. We are in Deerfield Beach, Florida. Calm waves. Hot coffee. Life is good. Water temperature posted as 81 degrees Fahrenheit. Air temperature has climbed to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. 26.3 Celsius. A human full of useless information, but happy to give it out. Georgia popped out, came back. Must have opened that Pinot Noir. It's getting brighter. It's getting brighter. Eric, the beach will get crowded probably more crowded than you want it to be by 10:30, 11 o'clock. If the kids were still out of school, parking lots would be filling up 8:30. Blue skies above. Broken clouds right here on the shoreline. And we have the muted sun has made an appearance, folks. Hold on. Center screen muted by some clouds, but as expected, the sun has made its appearance. Official. It's official. For all you kids out there, wear your sunscreen and protective eyewear. Let's go to portrait for a second, get a little reflection on that muted sun. Hang on, kids. There we go. Now we're talking. We've got your sun up. We've got a boat approaching from north to south. Left to right on your screen. Center screen, the sun is here. Delray 24, just in time for the sunrise, and a boat passing underneath the sun. Cannonball, hello. NZ Day _ is here. Elma, Guten Tag, good morning, V Gates. Buenos dias, merhaba, privyet. Chris Datu. Eric the Bruin waited for the money shot. Very kind of him to share this broadcast out. We have two ships now, one to the right, one to the left. Cecil B. Eric the Broom. A little more definition to the sun as it breaks through the clouds. And clearing above. Yeah, the sun's catching fire. Jen Bren Rock. Jen Bren Rock is here. Morning, kids. Deerfield Beach, Florida. 80 degrees Fahrenheit. 26.3 Celsius. Calm waves. Water temperature. A chilly. Water temperature, a chilly 81 degrees Fahrenheit. The sun is up. Obviously, so are you all. Unless you tap the screen and doze back off, which I couldn't blame you. Elvis _ Renato _ is here. We've got a nice sunrise today, a little different. With a bit of cloud cover, sea mist. If I didn't know any better, this would be Los Angeles back in the late 80s. A smog alert day. But we are on the East Coast, Florida. W. Vin C. W. Vin C is here. Good morning. Hello, everyone. Deerfield Beach, Florida. 80 degrees Fahrenheit. 26.3 Celsius. Calm waves, a light breeze. Water temperature, 81 degrees. Great sunrise indeed. Yeah, it's very nice out now, not too hot. But give it a few hours. KHWV 5-1's joined us. Lori Cucks joined us. That's for sure. Smogless day in Los Angeles a long time ago. Oops. Tap the screen again. Some semblance of focus. J.R. Snedden, our good friend, is here. Morning, J.R. 3806. Hakan 06 joined us. Yeah, great balls of fire. The sun has gotten bigger. I think it burned through some clouds. It's the only explanation I can come up with. Sounds good anyway. Thank you for sharing, JR. Social media, we don't necessarily care that it's accurate, but it's an explanation. Stinky is here. Michael _ some letters I missed is here. Morning, everybody. Late arriving viewers just came for the money shot, but that's cool. The sun is up. Paper X. Hello. Hola, buenos dias. Welcome. Guten Tag. Dzień dobry. Merhaba. Yadila Bleak is here. Buta Di Carlo invited followers. Thank you so much. Fuad 0202. squad is here. Birds going by. Birds, people. Where's Waxman? Look at these birds. Work hard, play hard with an E is here. E-Dub, our friend, educator. Kind enough to invite some followers. Thank you so much. Our T-Cell _ Sanders is here. Work hard, play hard. Good morning. Guy walking by oblivious. Good morning to you, sir. I do not speak Russian other than Privyet and Niet. Now I've exhausted my Russian vocabulary. Or perhaps Skol. D_money102. Good morning. Sunil 8081055. Hello. It's very nice here at Deerfield Beach, I must say. Good morning to you. How's my Dutch? Other than it's half of my ancestry, it's not good at all. Show them the pier. We've already seen the pier. We can go back there in a few. Raquel Petty is here. The sun. Yeah, it would be a beautiful sunset, although we are on the east coast of the United States, so my friend, we have a beautiful sunrise. But this morning's colors mirror many sunsets. Gerda Morgan. Ah, very nice. Good morning. Guten Tag. Guten Morgen. The mood. Okay, we have a beautiful sunrise. Somebody wanted the pier, so we'll get back to the sun in a moment. But someone who lives here or around here wants to see the pier. So hey, here we go. This is your pier, people. Kids swimming. And hold on, let's landscape this for a second. Water does sound beautiful today, very calm. Several more people out getting their sunrise in. Water a chilly 81 degrees. Matt is here. Rose B. Nurse is here. Annoying city employee going by on their ATV. And momentarily, the sun will make its way upward. Through that cloud. Waves are calm. Calm waves. And the sun is popping back out. Dunkin' Donuts coffee, people. Dunkin' Donuts coffee, people. There's our sun. Back in action. Lima love peace. If you listen 13, I listen. I listen to 11, 12, and 14 as well. 42-0 is here. Otto Vanatila is here. Love coffee in the morning for sure. Bablik Wint. You have a great day as well. See you next weekend. Not if I see you first. Weather permitting. Thanks for coming by. Appreciate it. Shine like the sun. Wow. Shine like the sun is watching us shine like the sun. Bird. Good morning. Hello. Good morning from Florida. Hello. We have a friend from Taipei, Taiwan is here. Good morning from Florida. Thanks for coming by. 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 26.3 Celsius. Hello from Russia. Privyet to Russia. Not related, joined us. Thank you for the hearts. Nice calm waves, calm seas today. Kathy Sife. Kathy Sif. Good morning. Sochi style. Whatever that may be. David's HTW. Good morning. Thanks for the hearts. Very kind. Oops, hang on, folks. I had to set the coffee down so it doesn't spill. My apologies. Netflix X joined us. Good morning, Netflix X. 3806 Hakan 06 is back. We have calm seas, 80 degrees, 26.3 Celsius. Water temperature, a chilly 81 degrees. Deerfield Beach, Florida, Atlantic Ocean. 25 miles north of Fort Lauderdale, about 40 miles north of Miami. And a stone's throw up to Georgia in Boca Raton. Officially Davis joined us. Good morning, Officially Davis. Thank you for inviting. Good morning. Low tide, but the waves are striking with a little more integrity and force. Cobra 32's here. Plane in VIP. Hello. Beautiful indeed. Dubs back. Up early on a Sunday. Thanks, Aaron. You too. Thanks so much for coming by. Thanks for all you do teaching their kids. Wonderful work. For Caro Op 7. Good day. All right, kids. I rousted myself out to an early sunrise. Enjoyed my coffee. Better get some exercise in to work off a tasty breakfast a little while later. Enjoy your Sunday. Enjoy your cocktails. Peace out, everybody.